Adiy lived to be 120 years old. He said, since I embraced Islam, the Iqamah for the prayer has never been called except that I have been in a state of wudu. Right? Now, let's mention some of these narrations. And if you never heard them before, I'm going to be surprised, right? When the verse was sent down, and eat and drink until the white thread of dawn becomes distinct to you from the black thread. Adiy said, I took a rope, a black rope and a white rope, and I put them beneath my pillow. And I started to look at them during the night, but I could not see any distinction between the two. The next morning, I went to the Messenger of Allah and I told him about that. And he said, it is the blackness of the night and the whiteness of the day. Anybody heard that hadith before? That's the man who was doing it, right? Adiy, may Allah Ta'ala please with him. He said, I came to the Prophet ﷺ, and I had a gold cross around my neck. He said, Adiy, remove the idol from your neck. So I removed it from my neck and threw it down. And then he recited, the Jews and Christians took their rabbis and monks to be their lords besides Allah. He said, I said, O Messenger of Allah, we did not worship them. The Messenger of Allah said, did they not make impermissible that which Allah made permissible, and you follow them in that? And did they not make permissible that which Allah Ta'ala had made haram, and you follow them in that? I said, certainly. He said, this is your worship of them. Anybody heard the hadith before? This is the man who was involved in it, right? One more. If you never heard this hadith before, let me know. Adiy ibn Haatim, he said, I heard the Messenger of Allah say, ittaqun nar wa law bi shaqqi tamr. Protect yourself from the fire even with half a date. Heard that before?